Welcome back. GFDC's first edition of All Goa Football Club Conference is focused on the grassroots level development in football. The GFDC feels that community development of football clubs and clubs' viability is a must. The conference also deliberated on the fact that football cannot sustain without grassroots level development.
Brainstorming session on grassroots and youth development programs to be carried out. We have also discussed on community development related to football clubs and around football clubs, and how to make the clubs financially viable. As far as GFDC is concerned, we do not give amounts in cash as such. We give amounts to develop grassroots, to develop the youth. That is what we do. Maybe to develop a little infrastructure, good playing surface. That's what we do. With whatever governmental support government can give in terms of infrastructure, coaching the coaches, getting you better coaches.
We have already taken a policy decision to assist the clubs in forming associate development centers, and today we have thrown open that idea that they have to come forward and seriously start youth development, because the fundamental is clear that unless there is a strong grassroots development in the state, football cannot sustain. We will have to continue importing players, and unless there are homegrown players, it is going to be extremely expensive to run the football ecosystem.
Business houses in the village, small entrepreneurs, they could come forward. They do benefit from the village participation. So it leads to a healthy atmosphere at village level, so also city level. The clubs could do it at a bigger taluka or zone level.
Grace, purity, tenderness and sculpturesque poses. The 20th Classical Dance Festival at Kala Academy enthralled the audience. Faculty of Indian Music and Dance, Varada, Phadke, Bedekar and Mandira, Joshi along with their students performed their best. The event organized by Kala Academy and Western Cultural Center Udaipur received good response. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.